This one is a ELECTROWELD brand 75 KVA dual spot welding machine for 2 channels to be welded. Here you have a spot welding controller. This one is a controlling the distances. This one here is a stepper motor controller. Then we have a pump on off switch. This is a clamping cylinders. Then these are the spot welding electrodes. Here we have the 2 dual head spot welding cylinders. This is the one screw, and then right on with these 2 channels moving and spot welding is over here in stepper motor. There you have the relief block. This is the cutoff switch for the on position. Here is the emergency stop starting switch, and this is a clamping switch for the channels. And these are the appearance on which the job moves. This is a cutoff switch. This is a reversing switch. The motor. Again we have emergency stop here. These are the spot welding cylinders. This is a FRL. This is a block pushing back cylinder, and these are the 2 push-off cylinders not to be unloaded.
So hi, this is an automated welding machine for welding long channels. So this part is for motor. This is motor. We can see here, this is a sliding attachment connected with carriage. The green one is the carriage, red one is the top base which holds the job. At the bottom we have a yellow colored screw rod which is connected with motor and moves rotating nut along it. Here we can see the bluish part is the nut which moves along the yellow screw rod. Here we have a front view of our job, and these are 2 cylinders connected with 2 heads that welds the overall job. This is the ejecting part. Here 2 cylinders are connected with a single bar that moves around it and ejects the thing. Now here we can simulate a movement, how it goes, like it moves on a sliding track or a guide, which is connected with a screw rod on the bottom. The motor rotates and this whole arrangement moves on the guide or the sliding attachment. Here we can go now for welding. So in this case the job moves forward at a certain distance. Now the two electrode come down and weld. Now again the job moves and the electrode come down and weld again. So what it does is it repeats the cycle continuously. If there is any change or if there is any particular distance change, we can change it on the way or with some settings. So this process continues till the end part reaches or the end of the job reaches. So here you can see the job is moving and the process is repeating itself. Now you can see when the job moves on its last path, the carriage also comes forward. Here we can see the carriage has came. Yes, so this carriage has came along with the path. Now the welding is still going on. On the last point, when the last spot weld happens, then the carriage clip offs and releases the job, by which it comes in the contact of ejecting part. This ejecting part directly come in contact with the job, and when the job gets welded, it push like this. So on this way it pushes out the job of the whole machine and it falls down. So you can see here the job is out of the machine